everyone, I'm going to react to NCT 127 Fire Truck. I've been waiting to react to this ever since it came out, but I just didn't have time, and I'm excited. Okay, here we go. Oh, Taehyung just sitting there, oh gosh.
Getting lifted. Mr. Farmer on the floor. 지금 열기를 식혀줄게. 가만히 가득 참고 더 화끈하게. 제 스토리에 느끼는 내 기분은 말썽 처럼 곤란. Hey 미치겠는 분위기는 no thanks. 흔들리는 내 달궈진 face. 세운 뒤 빈틈없이 Hey hands up if you feeling the vibe now. One step, two steps. 오늘 밤 너와 나 모두 다 빠져내 이제 언제든 달려가 소방차. You can call me. 이름 느끼는 대로 흔들어. 뜨거워지는 순간 크게 소리쳐. Fire truck.
Is that win-win? Oh my god. Who's that? Yeah, I'm feeling it.
One step, two steps.
That ear, oh my god.
Fire truck.
Win-win is so cute. Oh my god, he's here.
Fire truck. Fire truck. 멈추지 마. 밤이 새도록. Next moment up. Turn it up.
That was it?
Sabancha. 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 Sabancha.
I love the beat, but to tell the truth, I don't really know what was going on in the MV. I was just trying to figure out who's in there. Like Win-Win was so cute. Like, I don't know, when his face popped up on the screen, he was so cute. Mark, I love his rapping. Taehyung, the way he started it, oh my god. Taehyung, he has that high note somewhere in there. Jaehyun, I didn't really see Jaehyun that much in the thing. And then there's another Donghyuk. I was hoping to hear more from him, because he only had like a little bitty thing in there. That wasn't enough for me to judge, I don't know. But I wanted to hear more from him. And there was another, his name is escaping, the Japanese. He's from Japan. I'm not, his name is not coming to me right now. Okay, I need to go and react to the performance video. That's gonna be awesome because they can dance, people. Okay, here we go.
Getting lifted. Fire truck. 어디 배운 Mr. Firm on the floor 지금의 열기를 식혀줄게 불만이 가득 잠궈도 화끈하게 저 siren 소리에 느끼는 내 기분은 말썽 빼는 척은 곤란 Hey 미치겠는
Hey, is that you?
흔들리는 내 달궈진 face 세운 뒤 빈틈없이 we get Hands up if you're feeling the vibe now One step, two steps
Okay.
Fire truck
Wait. What is this?
Yeah, being the one everywhere 부르기만 하면 돼 느껴요 그냥 불전향 같아 blink 나만 나타나 Just wait for me 시원하게 네 화를 불어줄 테니 Just hold on 자 끊어내면 다치게 하는
Something Ta. That's his name. I don't know.
이거 가는 구걸하기 쉽죠 Hands up if you're feeling the vibe now One step, two steps 리듬에 맞춰 흔들어 전율 느끼는 순간 그게 소리쳐 Fire truck Fire truck Fire truck 멈추지 마 밤이 새도록 Next moment up, turn it up Next moment up, turn it up Alright 이유와 속에 모든 걸 던져 사방자 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 사방자
What the heck? I wanted to see more Don't Hyuk and I saw that, so that's good. Okay, Yota, yeah, that's his name. Yota, it's Yota, right? I love NCT. Like NCTU. I wish Ten was in here because he's so cute and he's not here. But I love NCTU, and I feel like this song is gonna be stuck in my head just like Seven Saints was. I love this. I love it. I love it. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Fire truck. It almost feels like changing.